What's up, guys? It's Mike here, the FPV Evil Monkey, and I am here after work getting ready to meet up with a few of my homies here from Longmont, Colorado. We're going to be flying over at the vacant building that you guys have seen before. We were going to go to a local park, but there is a bunch of soft targets there, so we cannot fly there. So we're going to go over to the building. All right, guys, so we're here at the vacant building. I'm here with a few of the guys from Longmont, and we are doing some quad flying. Bumper knocked his Bumper knocked his quad into the tree, but he was able to retrieve it. Smile for the camera, Bumper.
Hi.
You're recording. All right, guys, here we go. Okay. Sorry. Car coming? Okay. Yeah. The car going. Okay. It's on. Am I clear? Yeah. All right, guys, so done with my battery packs, and I am heading home, and you should see this edit probably next week. So we have come up with a crew name. We are going to be the Longmont Quad Implosion. So check us out for more videos coming. Talk to you guys later. As always, if you like the video, make sure to hit the thumbs up button and like and share the video. And while you're waiting for that next video, keep those drones up in the air, flying high.